In this countdown, we are checking out 5 budget-friendly models that bring practical smart features, energy tracking, and protection functions to homes and small businesses. From simple remote switching to advanced monitoring and automatic protection, there is something here for every type of user. Starting off the list is the EARU Wi-Fi Smart Circuit Breaker, a surprisingly feature-packed option that offers much more than basic remote switching. What immediately stands out is how flexible this unit can be depending on the version you choose. Whether you need simple scheduling or full energy monitoring with advanced protection settings, there is a configuration that fits different budgets and requirements. In everyday use, the remote control function works exactly as most people expect. Through the TUYA Smart Life platform, you can switch connected circuits on or off from virtually anywhere. For homeowners who occasionally wonder whether they left something running, that convenience alone can be valuable. Voice control support also makes operation feel seamless when paired with smart home ecosystems. The real strength of this breaker is its monitoring capability. The metering versions provide detailed information about voltage, current, power consumption, temperature, and overall energy usage. Instead of guessing which appliances consume the most electricity, users can actually see the numbers and make smarter decisions about energy use. I also like the adjustable protection settings. Overvoltage, undervoltage, overload, temperature, and power limits can all be configured according to the application. That level of customization is uncommon at this price point. The power failure memory feature is another practical touch because the breaker can restore its previous operating state after electricity returns. The only limitation is that installation requires proper wiring orientation and some understanding of electrical systems. For users who want affordable smart monitoring with strong protection options, this EARU model is an easy recommendation. Taking the 4th spot is the Gangbei Smart Circuit Breaker, a model that focuses heavily on balancing smart home convenience with real-time electrical monitoring. While many budget smart breakers offer remote control, this one does a particularly good job of presenting useful electrical data in a way that feels practical rather than overwhelming. One thing I noticed is how versatile the adjustable current range makes this breaker. It can be configured for a wide variety of household and light commercial applications, which gives it broader appeal than some competing models. Combined with a wide operating voltage range, it remains usable in locations where power conditions are less predictable. The mobile application experience is one of its strongest areas. Being able to check voltage, current, power usage, and historical consumption data from anywhere provides genuine value. Instead of waiting for a monthly utility bill, users can track patterns and identify energy-hungry equipment before costs get out of control. The scheduling system is also well implemented. Standard timers, countdown functions, and recurring schedules allow automation without needing additional smart home equipment. For example, outdoor lighting, pumps, or workshop equipment can be managed automatically with very little effort. Voice assistant integration works smoothly and adds another layer of convenience. Daily operation feels simple, even for people who are not particularly tech-savvy. Its design appears durable enough for long-term use, especially considering the claimed mechanical lifespan. While the interface may require a little setup time for first-time users, the overall package offers excellent functionality for the money. For anyone wanting strong monitoring features and flexible automation, the Gangbei Smart Circuit Breaker is definitely worth considering. At number 3, we have another EARU product, but this model takes a noticeably different approach. The EARU MCB Smart Circuit Breaker combines energy monitoring, remote management, and advanced protection features while introducing a few capabilities that help it stand apart from many budget competitors. One feature that immediately caught my attention is the prepaid electricity function. This is not something commonly found on entry-level smart breakers. For rental properties, shared facilities, or situations where power usage needs to be managed more carefully, this can be extremely useful. The breaker can automatically disconnect power once a predefined balance reaches zero, creating a simple form of consumption control. Energy monitoring is detailed and responsive. Users can view power consumption trends across multiple time periods, making it easier to understand how electricity is being used throughout the day. Combined with voltage and current monitoring, the device provides a surprisingly complete picture of electrical activity. Another major advantage is the availability of leakage protection on the 2-pole version. This adds an extra layer of safety by detecting abnormal current leakage and disconnecting power before dangerous situations develop. That makes this breaker particularly attractive for environments where safety is a top priority. The adjustable protection settings are extensive, covering current, voltage, and power thresholds. I also appreciate the power failure memory function, which prevents the inconvenience of manually reconfiguring settings after outages. Setup is straightforward for experienced installers, although users operating on 110-volt systems must remember to adjust the minimum voltage setting correctly. Overall, this EARU breaker offers a compelling mix of monitoring, control, and safety features, making it an excellent choice for users who want more advanced protection without spending a premium price. Coming in at number 2 is the TAXNELE Wi-Fi Smart Switch, a product that focuses on simplicity while still delivering many of the smart functions most users actually need. Rather than overwhelming buyers with complicated protection settings, it concentrates on practical everyday control and energy awareness. The first thing I like about this unit is its straightforward user experience. Installation is relatively simple, and once connected to the TUYA or Smart Life platform, remote operation feels smooth and reliable. Whether you are at work, traveling, or simply relaxing in another room, controlling connected electrical devices from a smartphone becomes effortless. Its energy monitoring functions are particularly useful for households trying to reduce electricity costs. Real-time voltage, current, and energy consumption information allows users to identify wasteful appliances and adjust usage habits accordingly. Small savings can add up significantly over time. The scheduling features are also well suited for daily routines. Timers, countdown functions, and repeating schedules can automate everything from water heaters to lighting systems. This not only improves convenience but can also contribute to better energy efficiency. Voice assistant compatibility works as expected and integrates naturally into existing smart home environments. The ability to control circuits through simple voice commands adds another layer of convenience for busy households. Construction quality is respectable considering the affordable price. The flame-retardant housing and durable design help inspire confidence for long-term use. While it lacks some of the advanced protection options available on higher-ranked models, it excels at delivering dependable smart switching and energy monitoring. For users who value simplicity, affordability, and everyday convenience, the TAXNELE Wi-Fi Smart Switch is a strong buy. Taking the top position is the TUYA Reclosable Circuit Breaker, a model that delivers one of the most complete feature sets available in the budget smart breaker category. What elevates it above the competition is the combination of monitoring, protection, automation, and self-recovery capabilities packed into a relatively compact device. The standout feature is the reclosable protection system. When faults occur, the breaker can automatically restore power once conditions return to normal. In real-world situations, this can reduce downtime and eliminate unnecessary manual intervention. At the same time, the safety logic is well thought out. Repeated leakage events disable automatic reconnection until the issue is investigated, helping prevent dangerous situations. Monitoring capabilities are comprehensive. Through the mobile application, users can track voltage, current, leakage current, and total energy consumption in real time. Having all of this information available remotely makes it much easier to identify electrical problems before they become serious. Another area where this breaker shines is customization. Overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, and leakage thresholds can all be adjusted according to specific requirements. This flexibility allows the device to adapt to a wide range of residential and small commercial applications. I also appreciate the prepaid functionality and memory retention features. Even after power interruptions, important settings and usage records remain intact. Combined with low standby power consumption, the overall design feels efficient and practical. Although installation should be handled carefully due to the extensive protection settings, the benefits clearly outweigh the learning curve. For buyers seeking maximum functionality, advanced safety protection, and excellent value for money, the TUYA Reclosable Circuit Breaker earns the #1 spot on this list. That wraps up our top 5 budget smart circuit breakers for 2026. Each model offers a different mix of smart control, energy monitoring, and protection features, so the right choice depends on your specific needs. Which one would you pick for your setup? Share your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and buying guides.